I got her, I got ya. I got your ass. Okay, we doing the video. Oh, my bad. Ooh, my bad. Get in the video. Get in the video. Get in the video now. Get in the video. I'm calling out shots like a pool show. My two stars in the door when I do hard. I got the wrong time. I got a wrong mind. Grab my gun. Shoot your ass for a long time. Don't get that ass. Hell dog. Fuck around the clip like you did. But shit, nigga, y'all talk. So y'all go. I'm not at all call. Speak into a dick around the side. This how they do it on Q's boat. This how they do it on Q's boat. That's Q, y'all. That's the king in the yellow shirt. That's the king and the queen. That's the king and the queen of the boat right there. I'm relaxing right now. I'm trying to see the trap. And if I want to rap it right now, I get my pistols at the house with the strap right now. I lay you on your bed right now. On the head right now. Get slapped right now. I'm the bed down. Thank you, fun. Talk about what you making now. 21 to 10 years, that shit in me ain't got a motherfucking John. Stand on the table. This nigga thought up gay signs. Yo, you better put your fine ass hand down. You better put your fine ass hand down. Got her, look at her. Oh, I got that fly motherfucker.
My nigga with me. My nigga with me.
Tell him what your name is. Tell him what your name is.
I'm T. Look, I'm CJ. If you want to see me, come to Saks Fifth Ave.
Saks Fifth Ave. That's a pretty ring, baby.
It's a new sparkling water beverage with 0 calories. I love that it comes with 5
Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show. Listen, the star.
What they doing in there?
Man, listen, I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. That right there is crazy. Let me go up here a minute. Okay, this is the top of the boat, y'all. This is the top of the boat. Now we don't. I haven't been up to the top of the boat yet. I got Trey Songz on. Oh, excuse me. I don't know this model's name, but that's Trey Songz. We got a new model with him there. I don't know this model's name either, but this is the top of the boat, y'all. And we on the Marina. And that's all I'm doing. I'm just showing y'all DC at its finest. It's a beautiful city. That's all I'm showing. That's all I'm capturing to take back to North Carolina. So y'all can see this. Gerard, before I go, tell me a joke before we go. Tell me a joke. A joke. Okay, I like this song. Hold on, I like this song. Hold on, I like this. It's $1 million boat, you don't even know it.
Right here, $1 million boat.
You got $1 million worth of dick right here, you don't even know it.
Mine is worth $2 and this is $999.
Okay.
I got that $2 dick.
Listen. All right, listen.
Now, I'm the type of motherfucker that'll take you something that you really understand. I'm the man with a hand in the hand when I come with a glove. When I put it on, I come like $100 grand. Y'all motherfuckers don't know. DJ Shout on the motherfucking mic. We putting on a show for y'all niggas that y'all gon' really like one day. It's out of sight. Yeah! Check it out, moving. Oh, yeah, check the lights on this bitch. Then I got a disco in this bitch. We was out here, goddamn, put on the show. They don't put on the show. Fuck that top of this motherfucker. How the fuck y'all do that? That nigga cute, the nigga. That's all we doing. Q Dog, all the way from Washington, D.C. Q Dog, ladies and gentlemen. Q Dog, New York by D.C. NY to D.C., nigga.
That's you right there?
Look at that $4 million. Yeah. Look at that $4 million joint over there, y'all. I ain't gonna fuck with them people, but I want y'all to see this. I can't get it, but that's $4 million yacht over there. Look, y'all. You don't even know it. God damn it.
That's all right. One day that shit is ours.
You don't even know it. We buy $4 million. And you don't even fucking know it. My name is Wimple D, and you don't even know it. They call him Black in D.C., y'all. North Carolina. Blackwater.
That's right.
Blackwater Entertainment. Nigga, I got so much shit for YouTube.
Blackwater.
YouTube gon' goddamn be sensational with me. Blackwater Entertainment all day, every day. Blackwater Entertainment. Gerard, the real deal. Holyfield. 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 Coming to a motherfucking city near you, nigga. He said Holyfield. Hey, listen. Nigga, don't drink behind this nigga cause it's gonna taste like candy. Hey, Candy.
Hey, Candy.
Oh, I'm about to see when I got loose. Then I got this nigga hype. I'm about to let out, man. Yeah, you gonna be on YouTube, nigga. They gonna see you. I'm that nigga. Yeah, I'm about to kill him with this. And we out. Nigga, this pineapple juice. Get some new shit, nigga. Pineapple juice. Look at that nigga back there, though. You see that nigga back there? That nigga in the room by himself, y'all. Look at this, all this, though. Look at all this. God damn it. Now, that's a model right there. Listen, this pineapple juice. This pineapple juice. Listen, I know, right? This pineapple juice. Motherfucking vodka. And cranberry juice. Get some new shit, niggas. Drink this. You get your dick so hard you feel like you're on a time cap. That's it. You feel like you're on a motherfucking time capsule. On time.